Hi. Hey guys. Have you guys ever wondered what it would be like for these albums to combine into one? Or have you ever wondered what American Idiot would have been like if the main protagonist would have had 21 ex-girlfriends instead of just What's-Her-Name? We're going to find that out today. I've made a musical mashup. This is going to be a musical mashup video, a reaction video, and an unboxing video, all in one. I'm completely blind though. Okay, here we go. This is going to be my reaction video to the brand new Green Day mashup made by Chris Norwood. And I'm going to be listening to it on iTunes here. We got to get it pulled up. This is a mashup of 21 Guns and What's-Her-Name. And I'm going to be unboxing these two great albums for you. I'm doing a whole bunch of these. I'm doing, I think, 7 of these Green Day mashups. So please like and subscribe because I'm doing a ton of Green Day material. Okay. 21 What's-Her-Names. It's going to be starting now.
Do you know what's worth fighting for when it's self-suffocating? Does the pain weigh out the price?
Sometimes it does.
And you look for a place to hide.
Oh, yeah.
Did someone break your heart inside? You're in ruins.
Oh.
121 guns. Lay down your arms.
Oh.
Give up the fight. 21 guns. Throw up your arms into the sky. You and I. When you're at the end of the road,
Like your
and
Billy
you
Joe.
lost a sense of control, and your thoughts have taken their toll, when your mind breaks the spirit of your soul.
So
Your faith was unbroken glass, and the hangover doesn't pass. Nothing's ever built to last. You're in ruins. 121 guns. Lay down your arms. Give up the fight. 121 guns. Throw up your arms into the sky. You and I. Did you try to live on your own?
Yeah.
When you burned down the house alone?
Try not to.
Did you stand too close to the fire? Like a lion looking for forgiveness from the
Trey.
Yow! 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 Spade! Cheek! Fat bottom girls, you make the rockin' world go round. I've given up the fight. Whoa, up in the sky.
121 guns. Lay down your arms. Give up the fight. 21 guns. 121 guns. 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 Throw up your arms.